I decided to come at y'all like this today. You going for a natural look, like you got a twist out or something.
See, this is the final result.
Bam, I got something for you. They have done all of the hard work for you. This is the Crowned in My Curls unit.
I'm throwing it out there. I hope y'all catching it.
Was this completely dry? No. Y'all was so upset when I was unraveling, but it happens and it still looks great. So, boop. I don't know what to tell everybody. It wasn't completely dry. So what? So what? I'm not finna let that work me up. I'm blessed. I'm not finna sit up here and sit up here and do all that because it wasn't dry. It wasn't dry. That's it. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all listen, I got something real cute, and when I say cute, I mean cute. I decided to come at y'all like this today, already done up.
See, this is the final result.
I'm gonna lead you through the pathway to this greatness that's going on right here that you see right before your eyes. I'm gonna do that, but first I gotta show love to my subscriber today. Bam! Cousin on my YouTube side, you are the mom. We opening the doors of the church early today, so y'all come on in here and sit down somewhere. Y'all, I am so feeling this wig. I am feeling this wig, child. It is from HerGivenHair. Y'all, at this point, y'all already know they have perfected the natural looking wigs, hair pieces, extensions, stuff like that. So if you going for a natural look, like you got a twist out or something, you don't want your wig to be out here looking lost and turned out, bam, I got something for you. This is the Crowned in My Curls unit, okay? It's 14 inches, 150% density. The curl pattern is 3C48, a loose kinky curl. I have a small cap. You gotta adjust it for your OMG. I did a very easy flat twist out, and it was jumbo flat twist at that, because I don't have what? All day. Even when I do, I don't. So that's what I did to style this, as you will see in the video. Bleach knots, already done. Transparent lace, yes. 100% virgin human hair, yes. So that means not a lot of fuss, yes. Adjustable elastic band for your snugtivity, yes. You see? Do you?
I'm throwing it out there. I hope y'all catching it.
These are things that you don't have to do. Y'all, look at this. Y'all, this looks so good and natural and ignorant. Look at that hairline right there. Y'all, let me come up on you like we about to fight. Look. Now, this is not melted, ladies and gentlemen. Look. Bam. You see that? Ain't no melt. I didn't melt that. I know y'all think I did. I didn't. Now, was this completely dry? No. Y'all was so upset when I was unraveling, but it happens and it still looks great. So, boop. I don't know what to tell everybody. It wasn't completely dry. So what? So what? I'm not finna let that work me up. I'm blessed. I'm not finna sit up here and sit up here and do all that because it wasn't dry. It wasn't dry. That's it. So that's what I did, you guys. Sprayed it down. I brushed it out to pop those curls. Y'all know. Y'all not new to this. Y'all true to this. Put some flat twist in it. Cut the lace. Put it on. I cut out the ear tabs, y'all. You know I like to use my own ear tabs, especially when I'm going glueless. They have done all of the hard work for you. So if you're going for a look like this, a natural look, it's already cut, it's already shaped. Y'all, I didn't shape this like this. Y'all know I love like the heart shape. I didn't have to cut it. It came like this. It woke up like this. You know how people be saying that, but they be lying? I ain't lying. This wig woke up like this. Now we had to pop those curls. It didn't wake up like that. But once you do that, it's over with. Go down there to the library, pay your overdue book fee, keep it moving. Period.
Period.
That's it. That's all. Let me get y'all to the demo. I ain't fooling with y'all. Peace, love, light.